Hello guys, today I will unbox iPhone SE 2016 first generation of iPhone SE. This iPhone is 16GB variant. I bought for around 330 ringgit. This phone is second hand with damage 5% and the battery health 95%. The phone have 1 month warranty when you buy it and you can extend for 1 year if you add 30 ringgit when you purchase the iPhone. After I unpackage, I can see the clear case top of the box. So this is the case, then this is the iPhone box that I will unbox it now. So you can see iPhone SE, the Apple logo and the iPhone SE picture. The box got a bit damaged, so I will try to open it and cannot, so I will cut it. So you can see I cut and I open from there lah. So I will open. So this packaging is from seller, not from the original Apple. So this plastic, you can see lah, very cheap plastic. So I will open it. Okay, you can see the damage in the box. Okay, then I will open it. Okay, so you can see the phone upside box, and this is the warranty card that given by Coolmax. I bought from Shopee, so the shop name is Coolmax. So this is the iPhone. You can see no scratches in the side of body, but got a small scratches in the beside of the Apple logo. So that's all. And you can see the box have the holder of the phone, and the seller give me a screen protector and tempered glass, and that is the manual book for the iPhone SE and the simulator, but the manual book is for iPhone 5. Okay, and you have the charging adapter and Apple logo your phone, but I don't know that is Ori or local, and the charging cable, lightning cable. So that's all in the box. So I will show you the iPhone now lah. So that is the box. Okay, this is the phone. So I will on the iPhone. So it's open with successfully. Okay, that's all. Bye. Thank you for watching.